What if I told you that in parts of Nigeria, no one is allowed to eat the new harvest of yam until an ancient festival has been celebrated? This is the Iri Ji Festival, also known as the New Yam Festival, one of the most important cultural celebrations of the Igbo people in southeastern Nigeria. More than just a harvest festival, it is a time of thanksgiving, unity, and honoring traditions that have been passed down for generations. Today, let's explore the rich history, meaning, and colorful traditions of the Iri Ji Festival. For centuries, yam has been regarded as the king of crops among the Igbo people. It symbolizes wealth, hard work, prosperity, and the blessing of a successful farming season. Traditionally, farming was the backbone of Igbo society, and growing healthy yams required months of dedication and patience. Because of its importance, the arrival of a new yam harvest became a sacred moment. The Iri Ji Festival marks the end of one farming season and the beginning of another. Before anyone eats the newly harvested yam, prayers of thanksgiving are offered to God, and in many communities to the ancestors, expressing gratitude for protection, abundant harvests, and the gift of life. The festival usually takes place between August and October, although the exact date varies from one community to another. The celebration begins with the traditional ruler, community elders, or family heads performing special ceremonies. One of the most important moments is the symbolic cutting and tasting of the first yam. Only after this ceremony can everyone else enjoy the new harvest. Families prepare delicious yam dishes such as roasted yam, boiled yam, pounded yam, yam porridge, and yam served with palm oil or spicy sauces. The atmosphere quickly comes alive with celebration. Men, women, and children wear colorful traditional attire. Cultural dance groups perform energetic dances to the rhythm of drums, flutes, and traditional instruments. Masquerades entertain the crowd with spectacular performances that showcase the community's rich heritage. Visitors are welcomed with generosity, and food is shared freely among friends, neighbors, and guests. In many communities, wrestling competitions, music performances, storytelling, and cultural exhibitions are organized, bringing together people from near and far. The festival is not only about food, it's also about strengthening family ties, preserving cultural identity, and celebrating the blessings of community. Even today, despite modernization, the Iri Ji Festival remains a proud symbol of Igbo identity. It reminds younger generations of the values of hard work, gratitude, respect for elders, and appreciation for cultural heritage. Across Nigeria, and even among Igbo communities living abroad, the New Yam Festival continues to unite people and keep traditions alive. It is a beautiful reminder that celebrating our harvest is also a way of celebrating our history. The Iri Ji Festival is much more than the first taste of a new yam. It is a celebration of gratitude, culture, unity, and hope for another fruitful year. Through music, dance, food, and ancient traditions, the festival continues to tell the story of a people deeply connected to their land and their heritage. If you enjoyed learning about this fascinating African tradition, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us as we uncover more incredible stories from Africa's rich history and cultures. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. Tell us in the comments section which African history you would like us to bring to you next.